Hello student, today we will learn about light, which is chapter number 15 of your science book. Children, light is a form of energy that gives us the sensation of vision. And vision is perhaps the most precious of all our senses. It helps us to see the beautiful world. The bulb gives out invisible energy called light. When this light falls on an object, it is reflected back from the surface of an object. This light enters our eyes and signals are sent to our brain, which receives information, and we are able to see an object. If there is nothing to reflect light, you would not see it. So, the process of sending back the light rays which fall on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Now let us discuss some important terms used in reflection of light. The very first it is incident ray. A ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is called incident ray. It tells us the direction in which the light is coming from the source and it always goes towards the mirror. The second one it is point of incident. The point at which the incident ray strikes the mirrors is called the point of incident. The next it is reflected ray. A ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called reflected ray. And then normal. The normal is the line which is perpendicular to the mirror surface at the point of incident. Normal line is an imaginary line drawn between incident and reflected rays. The next it is angle of incident. The angle between incident ray and normal ray is called angle of incidence. The last one it is angle of reflection. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. Now the next topic, it is real and virtual images. The real images. The images which can be obtained on a screen are called real images. In a cinema hall, we see the images of actors on screen. A real image is formed when at least two rays coming from an object actually meet a point after reflection from the mirror. Next, the virtual images. The images which cannot be obtained on a screen are called virtual images. A virtual image can be seen only by looking into a mirror. Now, the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. The image formed in a plane mirror is of the same size and shape as the object. It will be virtual and erect. It will be laterally inverted with respect to the object. And the last, it is formed at the same distance from the mirror as the object. Now, the topic is spherical mirrors. All the mirrors are not straight like the plane mirrors. Even the polished and smooth curved surfaces can act as mirrors. Such mirrors are called curved mirrors or spherical mirrors. So, a spherical mirror is that mirror whose smooth and polished reflecting surface is a curved surface. It is of two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. The very first, concave mirrors. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards is called concave mirror. Next, convex mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards is called convex mirror. Now let us discuss some terms related to the spherical mirrors. The very first, center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called the center of curvature of the spherical mirror. The second is pole. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called its pole and it is represented by capital P. The third one is principal axis. The imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and the pole of a spherical mirror is called principal axis of the mirror. The fourth one is principal focus. The principal focus of a spherical mirror is the point on the principal axis at which parallel rays of light after getting reflected by a mirror meet or appear to meet. Then last is focal length. It is the distance between pole and focus of a spherical mirror. Now, how can you distinguish between plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror without touching them? Yes, you can distinguish between these mirrors just by looking at them. For this, you have to bring each mirror one by one close to your face and observe the image formed in it. When the image is erect and of the same size as that of an object size, and it does not change its size and nature on moving the mirror closer or away from the face, the mirror is a plane mirror. And when the image is erect, magnified, and it becomes inverted on moving the mirror away from the face, the mirror is a concave mirror. And when the image is erect, diminished, and it remains erect on moving the mirror away from the face, the mirror is a convex mirror. Now the next topic is spherical lenses. A lens is a piece of any transparent material bound by two curved surfaces or by one curved and one plane surface. Lenses are of two main types. The very first is convex lens and the second one is concave lens. Convex lenses are also known as converging lenses and concave lenses are also known as diverging lenses. Let us discuss one by one. The very first, convex lens. The lens which is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges is called convex lens. It is a converging lens and has a real focus. The second one is concave lens. The lens which is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges is called a concave lens. Now let us discuss the terms related to spherical lenses. The very first is principal axis. The line joining the center of two spheres is called principal axis. Second is optical center. The center of the lenses is called its optical center and it is denoted by O. The third one is principal focus. The principal focus of a spherical lens is the point on the principal axis at which parallel rays of light after passing through a lens meet or appears to meet. Then focal length. It is the distance between the optical center and focus of the lenses. Now the next topic is dispersion of light. The phenomena of splitting of white light into its component colors on passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light. The next is spectrum of white light. The band of 7 colors formed on a white screen when white light passes through a prism or any transparent medium is called spectrum of light. Thank you.